Hello everyone. Welcome to my new tutorial dedicated to safety on TikTok. In today's video, we'll learn how to remove photosensitive videos, those containing rapid changes in light, flashes, or intense effects that may trigger unwanted photosensitive reactions in people. Photosensitive seizures can be a serious challenge for individuals with epilepsy or similar conditions. That's why TikTok has introduced this useful option that allows filtering videos that could trigger photosensitive seizures. Without further delay, let's get started. First, open your TikTok app. Then, in the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on your profile. When you're on your profile, now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Settings and Privacy is the option you need to select. Now, scroll down, find the Accessibility option, and enter it. And finally, tap on the switch for the Remove Photosensitive Videos option to activate it. Great! TikTok will now automatically filter and display only videos marked as safe for people sensitive to photosensitive seizures. This means that videos containing rapid changes in light, intense light effects, or any other elements that could trigger such reactions will be filtered out and not displayed to users who have enabled this option. That's all for this video. Like it if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.